Dude, what's up? Johnny here. Welcome to SND Byte. You are about to get your daily dose of metal music. That's what we do here. I'm a heavy metal guitarist. Played in a bunch of heavy metal bands throughout the 90s. Lost my eyesight when I was 14 in the 90s. Learned how to play guitar after that. I have an interesting view and take on music. I love metal music. Loved metal music before I got in the car accident. That's enough about me. Let's get into the song today. And today we have on The Blacksmith Massacre by Bonecarver. Dude, that's a freaking cool name, Bonecarver. So let's see what we got here. Just by this sound, that was cool. I have a feeling I might hate the singing. I don't know how I feel yet. That riffing is nasty. Yeah, this is like that deathcore stuff. I can see why some people... Yeah. Dude, the music I love. I'm loving the music. I would sing so differently over this. That bass tone's freaking nasty. Dude, I am digging the music of this. Can't stand the singing. Dude, and nothing against the singer at all, man. Nothing against it. It's just... Nah, man. It's not what I would do. Dude, this is some brutal stuff, man. Like, again, the music is, it's like... It's cool. I like the production. Wow, really? That's kind of cool. That's a cool way to end it. Dude, I don't know, man. I can't get past that singing. Am I too old? Am I? I don't know. But that music was banging. So that was another, we got another one in the books. That's another one. Thank you for being with me. Don't forget to check out tomorrow's episode. And until then, embrace your storm. See ya.